Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. This Bizzy Birdz Figure S wooden rope bird toy has many elements for your bird to enjoy. They can satisfy their natural hanging and climbing instincts, and there is lots to chew on for beak management and extra fun. The S shape gives your bird a challenging workout station to play on, and the bell provides some added dingling. For lots of playtime fun, order today.